And seeing it short, he still went through the shot, attempting to hit it for the square, made no adjustments in terms of going back, and took the top edge, beaten for a bit of pace.
Driven nicely, but there is cover. Kerry Peer, who comes on to replace Romario Shepherd.
This would be a good learning curve also for Jordan. And this is third unofficial ODI. Had a good outing in the first two. Expensive in the first 2 overs today. To run in and to continue.
That was a slow one. He was already drawn onto the front foot, and in the end, the ball going out for Devon Thomas, the wicketkeeper, to pick it up. Coming in.
Certainly was a slow one. It looked like the off break